Red lights apply to you and all, you know. Fucking dick. Jump in the lights. Jump in the lights. Unregistered motor vehicle. And a couple of idiots who don't understand how a crossing works. Another one jump in the lights. Hope you get hit by a bus, you piece of shit. Jump in the lights. Oh, sake. Another one who can't tell left from right. Fucking hell. Oh, you use the left in this country. Cycling on the pavement there and wrong way up the one-way street. What a twat. Oh, another one jump in the lights. And on the wrong side of the road, making an illegal right turn. Cycling on the pavement there and wrong way up the one-way street. What a twat. Oh, another one jump in the lights. And on the wrong side of the road, making an illegal right turn. Jump in the lights. Another one jump in the lights. 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 All the scummy scum. Jump in the lights. Another one jump in the lights. Hope you get hit by a bus. Jump in the lights. Jump in the lights. Look at that prat jump in the lights. Absolute bloody moron. There's one cycling on the pavement there. And there's one jump in the lights. And another one on the pavement. Oh, and this one's on the pavement. And this one's jumping the lights. Another one on the pavement. Fucking dickhead. Hope you get hit by a bus, you cunt. Jump in the lights. Cozy prat. Here's an idiot going the wrong way up the one-way street. Let's hope he gets hit by some driver that's using a mobile phone and not looking where he's going. Another arsehole cycling on the pavement. Oh, there's one jump in the lights. And on the pavement as well. And there's one going the wrong way up a one-way street. Jump in the lights. And there's one going the wrong way down a one-way street. Fucking idiot. And one cycling on the pavement. Failing to give way, take the corner on the wrong side of the road. There's one cycling on the pavement and too busy playing with his phone or even pay attention to what he's doing. Oh, there's one on the pavement. Wow, tosser. Oh, jump in the lights! There's one cycling on the pavement there. Another one who can't tell left from right. It's him again, and this time he's on the pavement. And there's a helping a salmon there.